Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ramen easily at home. First, let's start with the heart of any great ramen, the broth. For a quick and easy base, use a good quality store-bought chicken or vegetable broth. To elevate its flavor, add aromatics like 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger. Let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This simple step makes a huge difference. Next, let's prepare the noodles and essential toppings. Cook your ramen noodles in a separate pot of boiling water, following the package directions precisely to achieve the perfect texture. For a classic touch, prepare 2 soft-boiled eggs. Cook them for exactly 6.5 minutes for a jammy yolk. Don't forget to thinly slice some fresh green onions and your favorite protein, perhaps some leftover roasted chicken or thinly sliced pork. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your masterpiece. Begin by pouring the steaming, flavorful broth into a large, deep ramen bowl. Next, carefully transfer your perfectly cooked noodles into the broth, ensuring they are submerged. Finally, artfully arrange all your delicious toppings on top. Place the halved soft-boiled eggs, sliced green onions, and your protein neatly around the bowl. Presentation truly enhances the experience. Your homemade ramen is almost ready. This is where you can truly make it your own. Feel free to add a dash of soy sauce or a drizzle of toasted sesame oil for an extra layer of umami. If you love a bit of heat, a spoonful of chili oil or sriracha will do the trick. In under 30 minutes, you've created a satisfying and delicious meal. Enjoy every slurp of your personalized, easy homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.